understanding the legal basis of different funds in the Nigerian 1999 Constitution, as amended. Introduction and Consolidated Revenue Fund. The Nigerian 1999 Constitution, as amended, provides the framework for the establishment and management of various funds essential for the governance and development of the country. One of the primary financial sources for the federal government of Nigeria is the Consolidated Revenue Fund, CRF. The CRF is anchored in Section 80 of the Nigerian Constitution, which mandates the establishment of the CRF, into which all revenues accruing to the government are paid. The purpose of the CRF is to centralize the collection and utilization of government revenue, ensuring accountability and transparency in governmental fiscal activities. Section 80 stipulates that all revenues or monies raised or received by the Federation are to be paid into the Consolidated Revenue Fund. No money shall be withdrawn from the CRF unless authorized by an Appropriation Act or a Supplementary Appropriation Act. This ensures a systematic approach whereby funds are only utilized following legislative approval, thereby promoting financial discipline. The CRF is essential for promoting financial discipline and ensuring that government operations are funded adequately. The Constitution establishes clear guidelines for the management of the CRF, including the requirement for legislative approval for withdrawals. The Federation account, detailed in Section 162 of the Constitution, serves as the repository for all revenues collected by the federal government, excluding those listed in Section 163. This account is critical for fiscal federalism, as it facilitates the equitable distribution of resources among the different tiers of government, federal, state, and local. The Constitution outlines the revenue distribution formula for the Federation account, which includes allocation to the federal government, state governments, and local governments. The principle of derivation must be considered, where not less than 13% of the revenue is allocated to the states from which natural resources originate. The Federation account plays a fundamental role in maintaining balanced economic growth across Nigeria's regions. The account ensures that resources are distributed equitably among the different tiers of government, promoting fiscal federalism and cooperation. The management of the Federation account is critical to ensuring that resources are utilized efficiently and effectively. The Contingency Fund, established under Section 83 of the Constitution, is designed to address urgent financial needs that were unforeseen during budget preparations. Its existence allows the government to respond swiftly to crises and emergencies, reflecting a pragmatic approach to fiscal management. Key points about the Contingency Fund include: National Assembly may establish and fund this contingency reserve through an act. Withdrawals can be made from this fund with supplementary National Assembly approval when exigencies occur requiring financial intervention. This ensures that unexpected events do not cripple the government's ability to operate efficiently. The Contingency Fund is an essential component of the government's fiscal management framework, providing a safety net for unexpected events that may require financial intervention. Development funds fall under the broader category of special funds established to finance specific developmental projects. While not explicitly named in the Constitution, their creation and operational frameworks are often supported by legislative enactments guided by constitutional principles. These funds support infrastructure, healthcare, education, and other sectors vital for national development. Managing public debt and external borrowing also constitutes a significant aspect of fiscal governance under the Nigerian Constitution. While the Constitution does not explicitly define a fund for these purposes, Section 41 provides guidelines for borrowing. The President can raise loans on the security of Nigeria's credit, provided such loans are approved by the National Assembly. This constitutional provision ensures that borrowing is controlled and strategic, facilitating long-term economic stability. The management of development funds and external borrowing is critical to ensuring that resources are utilized efficiently and effectively, promoting economic development and stability. The legal framework of the different funds as established by the Nigerian 1999 Constitution, as amended, is foundational to the fiscal stability and development of Nigeria. These funds ensure that government operations are funded adequately while maintaining transparency and accountability. Understanding these legal bases helps clarify how governmental financial mechanisms operate, emphasizing the importance of constitutional adherence in effective financial governance. By comprehending these provisions, individuals involved in policymaking and corporate sectors can better appreciate the intricate balance between constitutional mandates and practical economic management. The Constitution provides a framework for the establishment and management of various funds, ensuring that resources are utilized efficiently and effectively. The different funds, including the CRF, Federation Account, Contingency Fund, and Development Funds, play critical roles in promoting fiscal stability and development. In conclusion, the Nigerian 1999 Constitution, as amended, provides a robust framework for the establishment and management of various funds essential for the governance and development of the country. Understanding the legal basis of these funds is critical to appreciating the importance of constitutional adherence in effective financial governance. Contingencies Fund. Section 83 of the Constitution establishes the Contingencies Fund, which allows for emergency expenditures. Other public funds. Part 3 of the Constitution discusses government investments and public funds, outlining the approval and oversight process for government investments. Other relevant sections include Section 313 deals with the system of revenue allocation. 2. Section 314 addresses debts. 3. Section 162-168 covers distributable pool account, federal grants in aid of state revenue, cost of collection of certain duties, set-off, and sums charged on the Consolidated Revenue Fund. These provisions provide the foundation for managing public funds in Nigeria, ensuring transparency, accountability, and proper allocation of resources. We would like to extend our sincerest gratitude to each and every one of you for your active participation and engagement throughout this lecture. Your presence and contributions have enriched the learning experience, and we are grateful for the opportunity to share knowledge with such a dedicated group of individuals. Looking ahead to future lectures. As we conclude this lecture, we are excited to announce that our next lecture will focus on public finance and public administration. This upcoming lecture promises to be an enlightening experience, delving into the intricacies of public financial management and the role of administration in the public sector. Once again, we would like to express our appreciation for your participation in this lecture. Your enthusiasm and engagement have made this lecture a success, and we look forward to seeing you in our future lectures.